Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the Windows computer shuts down when the USB is plugged in, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update all the USB drivers. I'll teach you how. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Scroll down, expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You'll find the USB root hub drivers here. Right click on each one of them and select update driver. Update all of them. Okay, all five of them, all as many as you have, the root hub ones. The next one is to check the hardware connected to the USB. Why? Because devices like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. push their own drivers to the system, and that causes a conflict with the existing drivers in the system. And this can also cause blue screen of death errors, leading to data loss and shutting down of the system. So check for the hardware that is connected to the USB. If it has the capability of pushing any software or any drivers to your system, then avoid it or try it on a different device. The last solution is to use a different USB port. Okay, because there may be an issue with that specific USB port, try connecting it to a different one, especially if you're using a high speed network device and you're connecting it to the USB 2.0 port, try connecting it to the USB 3.0 port instead. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.